Welcome, I'm Thanya. Finance is less about fear, more about focus.
Imagine this. Your finance team is drowning in spreadsheets, trying to decide how to reallocate funds across departments. Travel budgets go unspent, R&D cries out for resources, contingency funds sit idle until it's too late. Decisions are slow, biased, and often costly. Now imagine a different world, one where an AI finance agent, powered by a backend integrated with ChatGPT, automatically scans every line of your financials, detects opportunities, and delivers clear, data-driven reallocation suggestions, all in real time with graphs, tables, and explanations you can trust. Welcome to the Revenue Intelligence Agent, premium level. Today, we'll explore its AI suggestions for reallocation feature through 10 real-world finance scenarios. Each one will show how this agent can transform budget headaches into strategic wins. Let's step into the shoes of a finance leader managing a complex portfolio. Budgets are scattered across departments, projects, and contingency lines. Opportunities to reallocate funds are everywhere, but they're often hidden in spreadsheets and take weeks to uncover. With the AI-powered Revenue Intelligence Agent, every scenario can be visualized in a graph, detailed in a table, and explained through smart analysis in real time. Let's see how it works. Travel budgets often remain partially unused. Instead of letting those funds sit idle, the AI highlights the unspent portion, displays it in a table, and illustrates potential reallocations in a graph. The analysis recommends redirecting those resources into higher impact areas, ensuring that every dollar contributes to growth. In the second quarter, several departments underspend compared to plan. The agent quickly consolidates these gaps into a clear graph, organizes them by size in a table, and runs an analysis suggesting where the underspends could be most effectively redeployed. Decision makers no longer need to chase down details. The AI does it instantly. Capital projects are notorious for overestimating needs. The agent detects actual savings in CapEx and runs an optimization. The graph reveals where savings occurred, the table shows potential reallocation targets, and the analysis identifies the most strategic use of those freed up funds, whether reinvestment or portfolio strengthening. Administrative costs often run below forecast. The agent pinpoints this underspend, presenting it visually in a graph while a table outlines how much can be shifted. The analysis recommends reallocating surplus to R&D, fueling innovation without increasing overall budget. A simple reallocation turns cost efficiency into competitive advantage. When choices are many, ROI is the guide. The AI compares returns across initiatives, presenting a graph ranking ROI potential and a table breaking down performance. The analysis recommends reallocating from lower yield activities to those with the highest return, ensuring resources always flow where they create maximum value.
Thanya reminds you precision leads to progress in finance.
Project A overspends, Project B underspends. The agent balances them automatically. A graph illustrates shifting funds between the two, while a table quantifies the impact. The analysis shows how reallocation eliminates deficits without new funding, creating stability across the project portfolio. Contingency funds are often untouched until late in the year. The agent forecasts Q4 needs, displays the remaining contingency in a graph, and outlines reallocation options in a table. The analysis suggests moving a portion into priority areas early, ensuring growth projects get resources while still protecting against unforeseen risks. Some departments spend at a much slower pace, tying up capital. The agent detects these slow spend zones, maps them in a utilization graph, and highlights available amounts in a table. The analysis shows where reallocating can accelerate performance, transforming idle funds into active, productive investments. When variance analysis reveals multiple opportunities, the agent prioritizes. The graph highlights the largest variances, while the table ranks them into a top 3 list. The analysis recommends targeted reallocations, ensuring leadership focuses on the highest impact moves first. Sometimes leadership wants control over limits. The agent runs a simulation, applying a maximum of 10% reallocation per category. The graph compares constrained versus unconstrained options, while the table details the exact reallocation paths. The analysis proves that strategic outcomes can be achieved even under strict guardrails.
Start your free 30-day trial. Finance gets firmer with Thanya.
And that brings us to the real value of the Revenue Intelligence Agent, Premium level. This isn't just about reallocating funds, it's about transforming financial control. With this agent, you gain speed. AI surfaces opportunities in seconds, not weeks. Accuracy. Every suggestion is backed by variance analysis, ROI measures, and forecasting. Confidence. Leaders can make reallocation decisions that are strategic, transparent, and measurable. But that's only the beginning. The Revenue Intelligence Agent is part of a larger ecosystem of 33 AI finance agents, each designed to cover the full spectrum of financial management. Together, they give you a CFO-grade command center for your business. You'll find tools that handle everything from budget input and template management to version control, annual and project budgeting with cost center breakdowns, forecast versus budget comparisons and scenario stress testing, variance analysis to budget and CapEx/OpEx segmentation, approval workflows, dashboard summaries and alerts and threshold flags, multi-currency support, data upload integration, and AI suggestions for reallocation, downloadable Excel and PDF reports, plus access control, audit trails, and budget line commentary, and even rolling forecast integration to keep you always ahead. With one click, you can unlock a 30-day free trial of not just this agent, but the entire suite of 33 finance agents, giving you the tools to budget smarter, forecast sharper, and manage projects with AI precision. And if you want to keep learning with real-world case studies, live demos, and finance transformation strategies, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Because in finance, it's not just about managing the numbers, it's about mastering them with AI.